Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest Microsoft tools to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to move files on SharePoint in 2025. SharePoint is a powerhouse for collaboration and file management, and knowing how to move files quickly can save you tons of time, especially in a fast-paced work environment. Whether you're organizing documents for a project or shifting files between folders, this guide has you covered. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account and have access to SharePoint. Open your web browser and head to the SharePoint site. It's usually something like office.com. Then navigate to your SharePoint library. Step 1. Locate the file you want to move. Use the search bar or browse through your folders to find it. Once you've spotted it, select the file by clicking on it. For multiple files, hold down the Control key and click each one. Next, look for the Move To option. In SharePoint 2025, this is super intuitive. Right-click on the selected file, and from the drop-down menu, choose Move To. You can also find this in the toolbar at the top of the page under the Files tab. Now, in the dialog box that pops up, you'll see a navigation pane. Browse to the destination folder where you want to move the file. SharePoint makes this easy with a tree view of your site structure. Double-check you're in the right spot to avoid any mishaps. Hit Move Here to confirm, and voila, your file is relocated. SharePoint will give you a quick confirmation, and you can verify by checking the new location. One tip: if you're dealing with large files, be patient as the transfer might take a moment. Also, remember that moving files doesn't affect permissions unless you change them separately. There you have it, folks. Moving files on SharePoint in 2025 is straightforward and efficient. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay organized and see you next time.